Hello everyone, I'm here to continue Bruce presentation, and my part is talk about the direct and indirect way that plastic pollution affects to human health. Plastic can affect to human health by two ways. It's a direct way and indirect way. First, let's talk about the direct way that plastic affects humans. There are many direct impacts that plastic can affect humans by in the air, water, food, and clothes. The first direct waste is in the air. A fact that microplastics are acids in the air, and when we breathe, these particles enter our lungs and bloodstream. And finally, they can cause breathing problems and other health issues. The second direct ways that plastic affects humans is in water. You know that many plastic factories that are used harmful chemicals in manufacture, and then these harmful chemicals leak into nature and waterways. Finally, poor people who have no money to use clean water use polluted water for daily activities, and then they can cause many health problems. The third direct way is in food. Is linked to plastic poisoning. Plastic poisoning means plastic that contain chemicals like PPA, phthalates, and stinging, and they can enter our body by many ways like eating food, drink water that's stored in plastic containers like this, and they can enter our body by direct contact with skin. And when it enter our body, it can cause many health problems like skin allergies, inflammation, and even cancer. The fourth direct way is in clothes. Many clothes are made from synthetic materials, are very sensitive to heat, and they can be damaged, melt, or burn. It's not good for the skin. It can cause us allergies like this. Then let's talk about the indirect ways that plastic affects humans. There are two ways that plastic can affect humans by global warming and the food chain. The first indirect way that plastic affects humans is global warming. Plastic production can release many greenhouse gas, and as the earth heats up, it causes stronger storms because of the increased evaporation, and they can cause prolonged drought because the water become more rare. It also can cause sea levels, the warming and rising of sea level because the water in the sea are absorbed and expand, and they can cause species disappear because the animal can live in the higher temperature. The second indirect way is the food chain, like the picture, plastic waste dumped into the ocean, and then be eaten by smaller fish, and then these fish be caught and eaten by humans. Finally, plastic go to our body and and be harmful to humans because they can cause cytotoxic, disrupt immune function, and cause cancer. Thank you for your listening and watching. Time for answer.